16-gauge bonded wire with 4-way flat plug play. Stop-turn circuit capacity of 2.1 amps. Taillight circuit capacity of 5 amps. Solid, weatherproof, one-piece construction. No cutting, splicing, or taping of vehicle wires. Connections are important, be it with your traveling companions or the truck and trailer in which you're riding. Thankfully, Tekonsha has everything you need for the perfect connection, no matter your setup. For more than 55 years, Tekonsha has been the leader in T1 connectors, utilizing advanced engineering and development to design products that allow you the freedom to travel with nearly any vehicle and trailer combination. Tekonsha's dedication to creating the highest performing trailering electrical components with the broadest coverage ensures your connections are safe and secure. So what are you waiting for? Hit the road with the peace of mind only Tekonsha can provide. Life is a journey. Stop often. Top reviews from the United States. Plug-and-play product with instant results. This wiring went in easy. After the trim was pulled back, it installed quickly without any issues. My CRV is now ready to pull a trailer with fully functioning lights on the trailer. A much easier job than what I was expecting. Took about 40 minutes from start to finish. No splicing, soldering, etc. Strongly recommend this product type for any Honda CRV owner that wishes to pull a trailer or boat.